In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a signature in your Yahoo Mail account. Signatures are a professional way to conclude your emails and a great opportunity to ensure your recipients have all your necessary contact details. It's also a reflection of who you are professionally, so let's make sure it looks great. To begin, you want to start by drafting your email signature in a Word document. Here, you're free to organize and include personal details that are important to you. Think carefully about including your full name, your job title, the name of your company, and any contact details like a phone number or an alternative email address that you'd like to share. If you have a professional website or social media profiles, such as LinkedIn, these could be great additions as well. Formatting matters, so take your time to make sure everything looks polished and professional. Once you're satisfied with how your signature appears, go ahead and select the entire text you've created. With the text highlighted, right-click and select the copy option. Now that you have your signature text copied, it's time to integrate it into Yahoo Mail. Open your internet browser and log into your Yahoo email account by entering your credentials. Once logged in, direct your gaze to the top right corner of your email inbox where you'll find a gear icon, which symbolizes settings. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to select More Settings, which you might find towards the bottom, so don't hesitate to scroll a bit to locate it. In the More Settings menu, you'll see several options lined up on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Writing Email. This is where the magic happens. As you scroll down within this section, you'll get to the Signature area. Before pasting anything, make sure the toggle switch is set to the On position. This step is essential as it ensures that your signature will automatically be included in your outgoing emails. Now, place your cursor inside the provided text box and paste the content you copied earlier from your Word document. Right-click and choose Paste. Instantly, your meticulously crafted signature will appear. Once it's there, give it a quick review to ensure everything looks satisfactorily formatted. And there you have it. With the setup complete, you now have a personalized email signature that will automatically be appended to every email you send from Yahoo. This addition not only adds a personal touch to your emails but also provides a convenient way for recipients to have your contact details readily available. With your signature configured, you're ready to send emails confidently, knowing that your professional touch is included in every message.